mean, we did.
Yes, sure. And that's a few things. So, one, Your Honor, it was not intentional because we clearly...
Okay, but it was sloppy because
It was sloppy. No cap. It was sloppy Joe. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no cap. Oh. It was a glizzy all the way sloppy. Like, no cap, bruh. YouTube. Mark. What's poppin', man? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, man. I go by Dunn. If you new, go ahead and do me the biggest solid, man, by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. After you subscribe, make sure you ring that bell. After you ring that bell, make sure you hit all so you don't miss a video. Now, gang, then we got some good news, man. I think we do. You know what I mean? This ain't set in stone. I don't even know if the trial came on today. You feel what I'm saying? All I can say is they stressing Judge Whitaker out, bro.
Who is in 37 NN?
OG Boo. OG Boo.
And who is that?
Shannon.
All right. And can you read for the jury the caption?
Read his caption.
Yes.
Said ain't nothing more compatible than a trench. A carbon while in the trenches.
And then is there a hashtag?
Hashtag.
Like I don't understand why they keep calling these guys to the stand, bro. Like I don't get what the state is getting out of this. You feel me? Like I watch this trial almost every day. I don't report on it every day, but I watch it almost every day. I watch the Cuff Boys. I watch Seti Nash. I watch people who cover this trial daily, and I still don't understand what's the DA's, what's the state's point of view when they bring people to the stand. Like, it seems like it's for no reason at all, bro. You did what I'm saying? Like, because, like, what is Slime Life Shawty proving, bro? What is he proving? What is this picture proving? You feel what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy, bro.
No slime left behind. Hashtag 2Bs. Life size.
And is there another hashtag?
Free Quay.
Is there another hashtag on the screen?
Oh no.
Your Honor.
It's in this paper
Your
right here.
Honor.
You got me reading.
Your Honor, I have to make a motion.
They finna make their motion game. What's wrong with this nigga head, dude? What is that? But I swear, bro. If my son come home with something like that in his head, I don't care how old he is, he getting the ass whooping. I ain't lying.
It's alright, I'm gonna excuse you.
I wasn't looking at the screen. I was looking at this paper.
That's fine, don't worry about it. Can I ask you to step outside for just a minute? And jury, I'll excuse y'all for just a minute.
This gotta be like
Step outside for a minute.
they gotta be like the 200th time the jury done had to step out and come back in, step out and come back in. I know that jury tired as hell, bro.
Your Honor, we're making a motion for mistrial on behalf of Mr.
I want to invite my crush Allie to a party this weekend. What's a way to make her...
Nichols. We're not going to be able to unring this bell. Your Honor, this is the exact same issue that while we were at the bench, I brought it up. It was Exhibit 37 and that the hashtag, there was a hashtag on that exhibit that said Free Quay, which would definitely indicate to the jury that Quay, has spent time in jail or in prison. The state agreed. We stipulated that they would redact it. And then the state presented, I guess, to the witness the unredacted version, didn't prep him to not comment on it, and he did.
It's crazy, bro. Like, the state keep making these same mistakes, bro. Like, like what kind of education do you have to become like a DA, assistant DA, or anything like that? Like, do you have to have like a high school degree, right? I mean, not high school degree, a high school diploma. You gotta have one though, right?
Your Honor, before we had the opportunity for you to preside over us, this happened already again. And I made a motion for mistrial. Now it's happened again. So now the jury has repeatedly heard about Mr. Nichols being in jail, being in prison, and you cannot unring that bell. We would ask for mistrial.
Your Honor, Carter J. Matthews for Mr. Marquez. We join in that motion for mistrial. And what's important for this court to know is that 45 minutes ago, there had been a reference to a person being in jail. Now, this witness has identified Marquavius Huey and has also identified Marquavius Nichols. So all the state had to do was ask this honorable court for an opportunity to have this witness maybe step out of the courtroom and go over with that witness that, we don't need to say anything about someone in jail, what have you. That did not happen before he went on the stand, nor after that first slip up by this witness. There may have even been a document right there on the witness stand that should have been pulled from the state of Georgia from that witness stand so that this could have been avoided. So
Seemed like all they had to do was tell them to try to read from the screen or put one of them computers up there, bro. You know what I mean? Like, come on, bro. This is unacceptable, bro. You feel me? I don't have no kind of background in law whatsoever, but watching this trial, bro, I can easily go into that courtroom and beat the hell out of the state of Georgia. I'm just being real, bro.
we are joining in that motion as well.
Hang on. It's all right. You just didn't know, but we'll let you know when to come back in, okay?
So we join in that motion, Your Honor.
Your Honor, and I just want to briefly add that it is painfully obvious that the state is not prepping their witnesses.
Facts.
You can tell by the way when the witness spoke the first time and he said, oops, am I not supposed to say that? Like, oh, I had no idea. Which makes it obvious that the state had not spoke to him, had not prepped him, and this is happening repeatedly. It's happening over and over again, Your Honor, and we're just not going to be able to unring 100 bells.
You can't unring that bell, gang.
Finally, Your Honor, Mr. Marquavius Huey, it's been established that that his nickname is Quay.
Okay, isn't there going to be, we talked today about, isn't there going to be a stipulation that references to Quay, at least at some points, are not either Mr. Nichols or Mr. Huey? We did.
Yes, sure, and that's a few things. So, one, Your Honor, it was not intentional because we clearly...
Okay, but it was sloppy because
It was sloppy. No, Cal. It was sloppy Joe. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no cap. Oh. It was a glizzy all the way sloppy. Like, no cap, bruh. You dig what I'm saying? And I don't even understand how these professionals keep making these kind of mistakes when this trial, this case is supposed to be like this big case. And they got all this evidence. And it's like, we don't know nothing about nothing yet. All we know, bro, is that these guys were breaking the law. And a lot of them have already done time for the laws that they have broken. I just found out today that SB and a couple of them guys, they already in prison. He's crazy.
He's reading from the document that you handed him instead of reading from the screen.
And we should have instructed him to read from the screen, but...
Or you should have presented him with a document that had that part redacted. It's just sloppy.
The issue came while he was on the stand, Your Honor. So the issue did not come prior to. Ms. Westmoreland walked up to me while he was on the stand and said, I'm going to have an issue with that. Can you redact it? That is when the state became aware.
It should have occurred to you. You know what? I'm handing him a hard copy of this document that is unredacted.
But not if there's multiple Quays, Your Honor. If I don't know which Quay that.
Hang on. Can we stop having people come in and out when I've asked the witness to step out, and every time the door opens, they can hear what we're talking about?
But this is a sloppy trial, bro. This is crazy, gang. People are walking in and out the courtroom. The prosecutor stuttering. They don't know what to say and how to say it. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, just go ahead and grant the mistrial, Whitaker. Go ahead and let Thug and them come home for the holidays and let these folk get their ducks in a row, bro, or something. You know what I mean? Like, they done wasted almost a year of everybody's lives, bro, because they ain't had their ducks in a row. Fannie Willis basically got a gripe against Thug. That's just what it seemed like to me, bro. I don't know what it seemed like to y'all, man. But let's get to this. But yeah, drop your opinions on that though.
Please, just for a few seconds. I'm not asking anybody who's in here to leave. Huh?
The state is in charge of witness, and they're supposed to be guiding the witness to the room.
I mean, there seems to be.
And so that is the point in which we learned of it, is we redacted it on here. Ms. Westmoreland brought it up here.
Yeah, and I didn't read that. I mean, so the jury
said,
didn't see it, but now the jury has heard it. I don't think it is really that, much of a crisis, because there is going to be this stipulation that Quay is not always either of these defendants. So, nor is it obvious to everybody that free whomever is such a quote about who knows, everything these days. And so it doesn't necessarily indicate that whomever Quay spent time in jail or in custody or in prison or anything. I mean, they say it about, Hollywood stars who are in a breakup. And it's not so obviously, oh, this must mean this person was in prison. But also, we were already saying Quay isn't either of these people. So let's just, and whether this was one of these people, or I don't even know who it did refer to.
And we don't know because it's not his post. He was reading someone else's.
Why is he even reading that? Why is that evidence, bro? How is that gonna prove that YSL and Young Thug are a gang enterprise? How does that prove that, bro? A picture of Shannon wearing a long ass trench coat, quoting lyrics and hashtags. How does that prove that YSL is a gang enterprise? How does it prove that, bro? How?
So it could be a multitude of ways.
You talked to his attorney earlier, right?
Yes.
And did you get any kind of an indication? I don't know if this was one of the things you were going to... But it's an issue now. And you said before lunch that you were going to ask Mr. Rubin.
Yes, we did ask.
Do you know at this point whether the free Quay referenced... this wasn't even his post, was it?
It wasn't, and it wasn't an issue until so when I talked to Mr. Rubin at lunchtime, this wasn't something I was going to address with him because it wasn't I did not realize it was an issue. Mr. Rubin found out for me that Slack Quay is not either of these two Quays.
Okay, but this isn't Slack Quay. This is just Quay.
Right.
I know. So, why doesn't everybody... Well, they don't know how it's spelled. They only heard it. Why doesn't everybody just enter into some sort of a stipulation that the free Quay or the reference to Quay just now isn't either of these people?
I don't know if it is. So it was...
Whether it... Okay, so...
Your Honor, the state can...
Mistrial. Mistrial, man. Mistrial, bro.
Okay, that is not a reference to, if you would prefer that.
I don't know what the poster is referencing.
I don't honestly really care what the poster was referencing.
If you don't know what the post is referencing, why did you put it in evidence, bro? Make that make sense, cause I don't know nothing about the law, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I thought law was cut and dry, bro. They making this shit like pulling a million crooked teethuses. No cap, dog. You dig? And I know how to say. I know it ain't teethuses. It's teeth. You dig? It's teeth. I know that. Before y'all getting coming, but this is crazy.
Trying to do is fix your sloppiness.
She trying to fix it,
so
man.
that everybody won't have wasted, 10, 12 months of their lives in this trial.
Facts.
Okay, do it now.
She tired of them, bro. Gang, she tired of them, bro. She fed up with the state, cuz. She fed up with them. And I'm so glad they got rid of Uncle Phil, bro. Judge Glanville, because Glanville probably would have let all this go on. You know what I mean? Whitaker is fed up with it, bro. The case is very sloppy. The state don't have no kind of evidence at all, bro. And the only reason they targeting Thug is because he's a rapper, bro. He's a rapper. What they should have done, this is what they should have done, bro. They should have tried each one of those guys individually, bro, for the crimes that they actually committed, like they did. You feel me? But they want to say that Young Thug was out here sending hits. Young Thug out here paying killers. Young Thug out here killing chillin'. Young Thug out here doing all this, bro. You know what I mean? And they have no proof that Young Thug has done anything. And the only reason Judge Whitaker, she just said it herself, the only reason she hasn't ruled this a mistrial is because she know that the world, us, the jury, Young Thug, all the defendants in this case, the lawyers, the time, the money, taxpayers' dollars have been wasted. She know it. And she like, man, I'm trying to hurry up and get done with this case, man. You know what I mean? So we can hurry up and stop this circus. Because she know, like, taxpayers' dollars have been wasted. Everybody's lives have been wasted. I want to rule it a mistrial so bad, but we too deep in. You dig? But honestly, man, in a nutshell, Judge Whitaker, she ended up walking out, let everybody go, and she said she'll deal with this, I think, today or tomorrow, one day. I think she need a break. She probably went home and got drunk as hell last night. No cap. Anyway, free Thugger, man. Free the slime, man. Free YSL. You feel what I'm saying, man? This is injustice, man. You dig? Like, half of the people that were indicted was already locked up anyway. They doing this to try to get Thug. That's just the bottom line. I don't know what Fannie Willis got against Thug, but it's something. You dig? Now, gang, let me know how y'all feel about this in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, make sure you ring that bell. Ring that bell, make sure you hit all. I go by done. I love y'all, man. But I need that 3,600 by the day, man. I think we 19 subs away, so I need that 3,600 by the day. 4K, we on the way. Roll to 10K. That 100K plate will be ours. And make sure you tap in on all the other YouTube channels. Links in the description down below. And they going to be on the end screen. You did? I love y'all, man. Catch y'all on the flip. Let's get it.